them. Because without them, will never be able to achieve where you are and be recognized. This is your day. Salamat kaayo. May I request the proud parents, please. And lastly, of course,
Hi vlogs!
may I request the proud parents of the graduates of the 20. And of course, ang katulindod kaayo ni render sa iyang talk, si Mr. John lang, ayaw na lang to. We also have here the representative of our very hard-working Congresswoman at Campos, the Vice Presidents, Mr. Algireco Guzmanin, the PGFEA President. We also have here the representative